Incremental greetings. Did you experience sometimes that when you're reading a text, especially if it's long or very condensed, it's hard to read because of the line spacing? So you can do what I am doing now, which is spacing the lines further. Select the component, go text, style, and edit file. And with the CSS, you go to the body and here. And I added one extra line. It's line height 1.5. So if I set this to just 1, you'll see that now it's kind of harder to read. And the wider the component, the harder to read will be. Right? Setting up that to higher, that depends on you. It could be 1.3, 1.5, or even 2. I never set 2. Let me. Perhaps will be excessive. Yeah, that's excessive. And for me, usually I use 1.5, 1.4. Now that's better. Keep in mind that this is a template. So all topics or items, all the elements using the template will be affected. So it's a pretty quick fix to do.